All right, guys, welcome back. Today is raining. Not too bad, but it's pretty wet everywhere. We're gonna try to take the kids to a park. We'll see how that goes, just everything being so wet. Come along for the ride. It started raining a lot harder when we were starting to drive, but we're gonna be going here to the Emporium. This is a different Emporium. This is Emporium 40. Kids were all sleeping. Looks like the carnival is here, the fair, but it's too bad it's raining and it's probably too early. Kays is over here now in a front-facing seat. It's getting so big. Hi, mamas. She had a chocolate donut. Let's see if we find anything cool. This one is definitely a lot more crowded than the other one. Like, just trying to walk around stuff it's very hard. It's very difficult. Every time we come to a thrift store, it's so easy to find stuff for the kids, but it's not very easy to find stuff for myself. Huh, look. Little Theodore, guys. But yeah, I'm always keeping my eye out to see if I find something that catches my eye, something from my childhood, or you don't never know, something that you need. But yeah, it's always such a hard time finding something for myself. Lego my ego. The boys keep finding stuff to ride, trying to convince us to take one of these things home. That's my impression of Wrecker Rick. They're closing the store now, guys, so we're heading out to the registers. Boys picked out some toys. Let them get what they picked out. We'll see where we head out to next, you guys. It is raining quite a lot right now. We're making our way back to the car. Yeah, it's really starting to come down. I have been there before, you guys, and it's not a good feeling. Well, hopefully that guy gets that window fixed soon, because there's a lot of raining here in Indiana, especially around this time of year. The boys, well, Branson already opened his out, but some Buzz Lightyear toys, that's what they ended up choosing. Here you go, brand man. Kay's got Simon. I was calling him Theodore, but yeah, it's Simon. So she ended up picking out. And finally, Bubba ended up getting himself the OG Buzz Lightyear. Here you go, brother. All right, guys, yeah, as you can probably hear, a lot of rain. So, gonna probably end up going to the store, maybe picking out something to eat, picking up some other stuff, and then probably heading home, just because it's really coming down. All right, guys, we made it home. Thank you guys for coming along with us. And I hope you guys have a great day. Please subscribe, leave a comment down below of more stuff you want to see, and please stick around for the next one. Bye. I'm trying to get a B-roll.
Oh, okay.
Just like walking by.
So should we redo it then?
I don't know. We can do it again later.